With how accessible the internet is today, would you believe me if I told you the number of people who go online every day is still increasing? In fact, the constant internet usage among adults increased by 5% in just the last 3 years. And although we say it a lot, the way people shop and buy really has changed along with it, meaning offline marketing isn't as effective as it used to be. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is a form of marketing through which you advertise to people on the internet. There are a few different types of digital marketing, such as search engine optimization, or SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, pay-per-click, or PPC, affiliate marketing, and email marketing. So let's say this guy named Joe started to run his uncle's e-commerce website. So first, Joe would create blogs, videos, infographics, and case studies so that he can generate audience interest in the brand products or services. This is known as content marketing. Next, he needed his audience to actually see his content on specific searched keywords that were relevant to the target audience. He would then make optimizations on the website and have credible websites linking back to the content. He began to notice that the website began ranking on the first page of the search results. Joe would continue to make optimizations and improve the ranking, and eventually landing the website in the number 1 spot. This is search engine optimization, or SEO. Up to this point, Joe has yet to spend a dime. He could also use advertising to drive traffic to the website, but he would have to pay a certain amount each time the ads were clicked, known as pay-per-click, PPC. But Joe isn't done yet. To reach a much bigger audience, he started to build social media platforms. He would use platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn to advertise the brand's content. He would use posts, videos, images, and more to bring out the brand's story and engage more with the audience. Like PPC, the platforms allow you to advertise through text, image, and video ads, which need to be paid for. That's social media marketing. He then started to notice that a lot of the audience weren't coming back a second time. He needed to keep them engaged and make sure they purchased the product. So he started to send them emails that helped them better understand the products they visited on the website and make the buying process easier. He would also send emails advertising the products or services to potential customers. That is known as email marketing. Although he was able to grow the brand's funnel, he wanted more traffic from third-party websites. Well, this is done with affiliate marketing. Joe wanted to further his knowledge and get ahead in his affiliate career with the help of the 15-day online business builder. He got the skills and training he needed to become an expert digital marketer. And now you know where he is. You too can do the same and grow in your career by clicking down below. And with that, we've just explained what digital marketing is to you. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. And if you like this content and want to see further videos, click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.